welcome to McDonald Crafting. Today I've got myself a Freshie making kit. Now you know how much I love a kit, and you know how much I love testing out a kit. And it's people that buy me the coffees that allow me to do this. And this makes scented Freshies, as they're called on here. I'm not sure if there's a picture. No, there's not a picture on the box. But they look like that, and you can hang them up. Now, I'm having a problem at the moment with lots of spiders coming into my craft room, and I'm not worried about spiders in any way, shape or form, but they get in the way, they make webs, and they create a lot of dust. So someone told me that if you hang lemon fragrance things around, hopefully that will stop the fake black widows and the big spiders coming in, creating webs and getting everywhere. The kit includes some mica powders to colour it with, the cookie cutter things that I will be using for other things as well, to make the shapes with, some bags to put them in and seal them up with, the actual beads themselves. They are unscented aroma beads, and apparently they absorb the aroma really well. You get some little labels that you can write on to say what flavours you've done in there. You get a little bradawl and a little spoon and some twine and the plastic cup. So I think there's everything that you need. And I'm going to follow the instructions, oddly enough. And it tells me to start with, I need to pour beads into something. Now I want to make a couple of these, because I want to hang one in this room and I want to hang one in my resin room. Then it says to add the essential oils. This is a lemon fragrance. It couldn't be easier. This would be great to do with the kids in the holidays and hang them in your car, around the house. You know, I wish we had smell-o-vision. I'm going to put a lid on that because I want to keep all that smell in there and I don't want any of that to evaporate off. Put a bit of foil on it like that. And then it says, step 2, store for 3 to 5 days to allow the beads to fully absorb the scent. That's what I'll do. Well, this has been sitting here now, soaking the essential oils in for about 3 days. And I sealed that up quite nice and tight. Oh, that smells delicious. So I'm going to take these moulds out, and I definitely like the cow moulds. So I'm putting them on a piece of greaseproof paper, as you can see. And I'm sprinkling in the amount that I need in each one. I don't want to make them too thick. Yeah, I've got plenty. So what it suggests you do now is put this back into the cup. So take it out of the mould and put it back into the cup and then mix your mica powder in it. Now, what I'm going to do is use the mica powder, even though I've got loads and tons of mica powders, I'm going to use the mica powders that come with it because I think that's only fair. And I'm going to do one in one colour, about halfway, one in another. And it comes with a little spoon. Here's a nice selection of mica powders, and these are really good sized packs, and they're not cheap either, so well done. Now I'm going to put a good spoon's worth in of that colour, give that a nice stir around, and that should cover those beads lovely, which it has, as you can see. And the other one, I'm going to do this colour. I wish they'd put labels on there what the colours are for people like me who are colourblind, but never mind, they're pretty colours. I've got the 3 moulds that I want to fill. Now, I'm going to do all one colour. Shake them out so they're nice and flat. I'm going to do that one, all that colour. And then this one, I'm going to try and do 2 separate colours. And I'm going to do that by popping a little bit of paper or card in there like that. Filling that half, and then filling that half, pulling it out. I've got 2 tones. I like to play around. Don't lift them up, folks. Keep them flat. That was my fault, silly me. This is really good fun. I can see how kids would love this. And then what we do is we pop them into a preheated oven for 6 to 8 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius. Well, these have been in the oven now for 8 minutes and they're still a little bit soft. I left them for 5 minutes to cool down, but they're still going to be a little bit hot. So use a heat-resistant glove or a cloth to pick them up with. And then, oh, look how pretty that is on that side. And then all you need to do is push a hole through them with using the tool that comes with the kit wherever you want to hang it. Now, I want to hang this one by its tail. So these are still quite soft. Pushing that through, and that's made a lovely little hole there. honestly, these smell amazing. So once again, push that through. Oh, look, I'm not using the cloth. I should use the cloth, although I have quite asbestos-y hands. Slightly bigger hole for this one. Got a bit of spare there, and what it says is just to hold that and cut it off. It's really easy to do. I shall definitely be using this for something else as well. Oh, you've really got to get one of these. They are so much fun, and they smell amazing. And now it says let them cool right down. So what I'm going to do is leave them for about 10 minutes. I should think that will allow them to cool completely down. Once they're cooled completely down, I can demold them and then finish them off. Well, these have all cooled down. I've demolded 2, and they are really easy to demold. All I would suggest you do is get them that way round, or that way round, it doesn't matter, and then pull slightly on the mould, not enough to bend it out of shape or anything, like that. Then push from this side, and you'll find it'll pop out. See, they're coming out. It's coming out quite... And once you've loosened it a little bit, it comes out quite loosely. The other thing I would suggest is where the mica powder is sat on the top, it's obviously not absorbed into this. I would give them a little rub over with a baby wipe. That's what I did with these two, to get rid of any of that excess mica powder. I probably put too much in because you know how heavy-handed I am. And that would clean those up really easily to stop that happening in the future. And now we can put them together. It comes with twine. It comes with little tassels. And it comes with these little flowery things. Also, like I said, with the envelopes to put it in and some stickers. What I love about these sorts of kits is it's not all disposable. So once you've done it, it's not finished. You've still got your cups you can use. You've still got all your cookie cutters or molds. You've still got your bit here that you can push holes into things. And you've still got your spoon, as well as the bags, and loads of mica powder. So you can make all sorts of crafts with this once you've used the beads, or just get hold of some more beads. I don't like these kits that where you use it and then that's it, it's finished and you can't use anything else from it. I'm going to cut off a little bit of twine and then going to thread that through there. I'm going to put one of these little leather tassels on, and you know how much I like these little leather tassels because I use them in a lot of things. And I'm going to put that on like that. You could add the flowers on, and it comes with these little metal bits as well for you to be able to do that. And that should be fairly simple. All I'm going to do is make a little hole. You could use a needle or anything with that to make a little hole in here. You could probably even push it through with your hands, but I'm not going to. I'm going to just use my little drill. Pop that through like that. That's hooked on there nicely. And I'm not going to put it into the actual thing, although you could push that into there, and while it's drying or setting, and that would sit in there nicely. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it into there. Take my jewellery tools and just wind that on like that. And then you've got a little flower on there as well. How cute is that? I'm going to finish off the other two. Well, there I've finished. I finished tying them up. And like I said, I've probably got enough beads to make about another 6 of these. But I'll always have this stuff to use, which is excellent. All you need to do with these is I'm going to put a little sticker on it first and then write on it. And then I'm going to write lemon on it, because that's what it is. It's lemon flavoured. Lemon scented, not flavoured. You're not going to eat it. And then they seal up completely like that, and you can either sell them or give them away. I'm definitely going to be making these as stocking fillers for my family over Christmas, and I may even do some and sell them as well. And it's down to people who buy me coffees for this channel that I'm able to buy these kits and test them out. So I want to just say a quick thank you to everyone that got me coffee. Your names are coming up now. And if you would like me to make more things like this, let me know in the comments, or test out more kits. Let me know in the comments. And if there's particular kits that you'd like me to look at, also let me know what they are in the comments, and I will see if I can get them. Please boop it. It really helps this video get out there. And be sure to check out the video that's coming up next. I look forward to seeing you there. Take care. Enjoy your crafting. Bye.